Weekly healthy dinner, Tuesday. Grilled chicken tacos with coleslaw salad and guacamole. There are many advantages to dining on grilled chicken tacos with coleslaw and guacamole. Protein source. Grilled chicken tacos are an excellent source of protein, essential for the growth and repair of muscles and body tissues. Rich in vegetables, coleslaw and guacamole are good sources of fresh vegetables, which can help improve overall health. Source of healthy fats. Guacamole is a rich source of healthy fats, which are important for cardiovascular health and brain function. Easy to make. Grilled chicken tacos and coleslaw are easy to make and require little time. Customizable. Different vegetables, spices, and sauces can be added to vary the flavor and keep it interesting. Quick and portable. Tacos are a quick and easy meal on the go, making them perfect for taking to work or for a meal on the go. Good for cardiovascular health. Guacamole is a good source of healthy fats and coleslaw is high in fiber, both of which can help improve cardiovascular health. Improves mood. Eating protein and healthy fats can help improve mood and focus throughout the day. Easy to adapt to different diets. Tacos can be made gluten-free or vegan if desired, making them an affordable option for different types of diets. Fun food option. Tacos are a fun and social food option, making them great for sharing with friends or at family events. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.